Ever felt unsafe on the road? Whether it's a creep bothering you, road rage, unjustly harassed by the authorities, or an emergency where you need help fast. With Nextbase's witness modes, you have 2 ways to protect yourself. Let's start with Witness Mode Lite. Just say the word and your dashcam sends an instant SOS text and email with your location to a friend or loved one, letting them know that you need help. Your dashcam locks the footage when Witness Mode Lite is activated, letting you report the incident or hold them accountable. This is perfect for parking lot incidents or unexpected road events, keeping you protected while also alerting a loved one that you need help, while making sure you have the evidence you need when it matters most. But what if you need more than just recorded footage? With full access to Witness Mode, your emergency contact will be sent a link to live stream your moment and location in distress, giving them the ability to have full context of the situation and moving swiftly into appropriate actions and give you the assistance you need. With a Nextbase dashcam, you can always count on having video evidence securely saved. These unique Witness Mode features give you the confidence to ensure you're never alone in critical moments. Stay protected on every drive with Witness Mode or Witness Mode Lite on a Nextbase dashcam.